Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of phone repair with a look at this Yoidesu 128GB replacement motherboard for the Galaxy S10. Now, replacing a motherboard is a serious undertaking, so let's see if this one lives up to the hype. This Yoidesu board is advertised as a brand new, unlocked motherboard, specifically for the US version of the Galaxy S10. They emphasize that it's not refurbished, hasn't suffered water damage, and comes with no network or account lockouts. That's a good start, as those are major concerns when buying replacement parts. The listing also mentions it's been tested before shipping, which adds a layer of reassurance. One of the key selling points here is the claim of professional quality and performance comparable to the original. Of course, we'll need to see about that. The description highlights its compact design and ease of use, though they wisely recommend professional installation. Trust me, messing with a motherboard is not for the faint of heart. You need the right tools and a steady hand to avoid causing further damage. Now let's talk specs. This board boasts 128GB of storage, which is a decent amount for most users. It uses LPDDR4X RAM, a fast and efficient memory technology that was standard for the S10. The chipset is the Exynos 9820, the same one found in the original phone. This is important for compatibility and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. The big question, of course, is performance. Does this replacement board deliver the same speed and responsiveness as the original? While I can't perform exhaustive benchmark tests in this video, I can share my initial impressions. After installing the board in a test S10, the phone booted up without any issues. Apps launched quickly, and general navigation felt smooth. I'll be putting it through its paces over the next few days, so stay tuned for updates on long-term performance. One thing I want to emphasize is the importance of confirming compatibility. Double-check your S10 model number before purchasing any replacement parts. There are subtle variations between different versions, and using the wrong part can lead to problems. The listing specifies this board is for the 128GB unlocked Galaxy S10 US version, so make sure that matches your device. Another crucial aspect is the installation process. As I mentioned earlier, professional installation is highly recommended. If you're not experienced with phone repairs, attempting this yourself could damage the board or other components. If you do decide to go the DIY route, be sure to find a reputable guide and take your time. Overall, this Yoidesu replacement motherboard seems promising. The specs match the original, and initial impressions are positive. The key will be long-term performance and reliability. I'll keep you updated on how it holds up. If you have any questions about this board or the replacement process, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.